Oh, she said Rabbit wants to be the Figaro's friend.
I got this. It's turned on late. Because it looks like we're about out of.
Okay, no worries.
You want him to get mad?
Let's go change your diaper.
Did you make doo-doo? Here, I'll make him mad. Give me the rabbit. I'll make the rabbit mad. You want me the rabbit get mad? No?
She's like,
Doop dee doop dee doop dee
about
doo.
going on the potty when it comes to.
Do 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 do.
She knows when it's coming. She runs. She sits. Oh, yeah.
Can I see the elephant dance?
Key. That's the
Do
problem.
do 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 do.
Yes,
Uh-oh.
What makes you mad though? I know you're not supposed to be mad. Like, it should be on the floor, but it's oh, mom, make it on the floor and make it the potty. Oh, that's okay. But she just kind of like, there it is.
Are you cooking something?
Hey, I'm not your slave.
What are you cooking?
Try harder, kid.
What are you cooking?
I feel bad about it.
Oh, I want an egg. I don't want it too hot though.
She gets it from him.
Oh, don't give it hot. Let me have a bite.
Guilty about it.
Let me try it.
I never feel bad.
I try it. It's hot. It's hot. Blow on it. Blow on it.
I would try, you know, to please
Did you
him.
blow on it?
I mean, she loves me, but she doesn't really care if she pleases me. What?
The egg was too hot. I need it to cool off. Can you blow on it?
Definitely don't feel guilty.
You cooling it off for me? All right. Is it cool now? I'm hungry. Feed me. What are you gonna feed me? Okay.
She got mad at him because
She got mad.
Do you have a pepper? I want a pepper.
she hurt him.
She felt bad. She didn't know how to deal with this. She didn't want to. I was going